Hey Tech Math, here's that continuation of the 8.6, 8.7 notes. They go together because the rule of 72 only works for compound interest. So, as I was saying in the last video, the last problem can be solved, or we can use the shortcut known as the rule of 72. So I'm going to jump in here and tell you what the rule of 72 is. The rule of 72 says that if we are looking at how long it takes money to double in compound interest, the time that it takes is equal to 72 divided by the rate of return. So just as we did before, I'm going to put your little pieces here. So T is the time needed to double. R is the rate of return. So, So for this first question, how long will it take money to double at 6% compound interest? We need to estimate using the rule of 72 and also to find the exact answer. So I'm going to do the first part because based on the last video, you can definitely find out how to find the exact answer. I'm not going to show you that on here. If you need help, go back to that other video. So I'm going to find out by saying T equals 72 divided by the rate. Now you would think we would say it's 0.06. 0.06, excuse me. But in this case, we're just going to use the rate as an integer. We're just going to do the number. So if it's 6%, we're going to divide just by the number 6. So 72 divided by 6 in this case is 12. Hence, it takes 12 years at 6% compound interest rate to double our money. All right, let's see that again. Not too bad, right? What compound interest rate, aka what do I need in R, to be able to grow $100 to $200 in 300 years? Well, this one, I don't know R, but I know T. If I know that T is 3, I can find out what R is by just solving for the R variable. In order to do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by R and then divide both sides by 3. So if I do that, you're going to see that it's R is equal to 72 over 3. By solving for R, we can find out that we need a rate of 24. We don't even have to make this into a percent. It's already the percent for us. So the rate is going to be 24%. All right, one last example. How long will it take money to double at 4% compound interest? Well, T is going to be equal to 72 divided by 4 because that is our compound interest rate, and it's going to end up equaling 18 years to double. But remember, rule of 72, so I'll even put this down here so we remember. Rule of 72 can only be used when doubling money using a compound interest rate. All right, let me know if you have any questions.